These are good. I feel like it gets a little baby size. They're not as bad for these pancakes. This is like a healthy way to eat peanut butter, chocolate pancakes. Hey guys, Jeremy Jacobowitz here from Brunch Boys, and if you're new to the channel, this is all about my food adventures all over the world. But today, I'm in my apartment here in Brooklyn because we are going to make another viral dish. And one, see how it is, and two, see if I can improve it in any way. So if you've been on TikTok, especially this week, but if you've been on Instagram, if you've been on YouTube, if you've been anywhere online, you've seen the trend of the little tiny mini pancake cereal bowls. Normally these kind of things, I'm like, oh, I don't know, I don't like the viral stuff, but I thought it'd be fun with one. I gotta taste it and know. I gotta taste it and know. But two, I think there are ways to prove it. So we're gonna switch it up a little bit today. So one thing I'm gonna do is I don't wanna make like standard flavor. I saw other people put in their variations, but I wanna put my own spin on it. So I'm taking inspiration from like the Reese's peanut butter cup cereal, the puffs. So we're gonna make like a Reese's dark chocolate peanut butter puff cereal pancake. Start there. The other thing I want to do is I find it weird that everyone's using milk. I understand the idea of milk, it's supposed to be cereal, but to me, like the pancake's just going to get super soggy and then you don't want to eat it. So even though visually it might be cool, there's no way it's good to eat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the milk with whipped cream. So one, you're still going to get the visual presentation of like the cereal being in the milk, but it's actually going to be something that you want to eat. So that's the plan for today. All right, let's do it. So we are going to take 1.5 cups of pancake flour. We are going to add to that a tablespoon of sugar. And then I am going to use oat milk in place of regular milk, but we're going to go 1.25 cups of that. 2 eggs. And then, so I really wanted to like boost the peanut butter flavor up in this because the idea is it's supposed to be like a Reese's peanut butter cup. So, you know, I have the little pieces that we're gonna put in afterwards, but I wanted to like really pull out that peanut butter flavor. So I have the peanut butter powder that I'm actually gonna mix into it. I'm gonna go a tablespoon. I don't know if that works or not, but I feel like that's enough to sort of run through it and get like just like the peanut butter flavor popping out of every single bite of that pancake. All right, so just gonna whisk until it combines, and then we'll get cooking. All right, so this is much harder than it looks for some reason. So I'm gonna mess with the batter a little bit, thicken up a bit more, and I think that will help me stop failing. It's like, you have to be so meticulous because the pancakes are so baby small. Like I wish I had like baby tools. I tried to use chopsticks, but that seems to like poke a hole in the pancakes instead. So I'm just gonna keep practicing and keep doing and hopefully get enough that works. Now how the fuck do you flip goddamn many pancakes? I'm burning yourself. This is very hard. Okay, and the last one. Perfect. Okay, so time to assemble. We are going to take the whipped cream and create a nice base, a quote-unquote milk, for the cereal. Place each of the little baby pancakes on there. And then finally top with butter, because that's what I saw everyone else doing. So, without further ado, here it is. My Reese's peanut butter dark chocolate mini pancake cereal. I mean, flavor-wise, not talking. You're getting the peanut butter, obviously, you're getting the sweetness. I like that I added dark chocolate. I think that there's a lot of sweet in there, and having like the cocoa flavors and the bitter really balances it really, really nicely. Peanut butter and dark chocolate go together perfectly. Like the addition of whipped cream, I think if I had milk in there, it would just completely like sog up the pancakes, and that's really not good to eat. Or you're gonna overcook the pancakes to get them super, super crispy, and then those aren't fun to eat either. So I love the addition of the whipped cream. I'm a little confused by the butter. It didn't really melt. And just having like a huge stick of butter on there doesn't super make sense. That might be just more for the visuals, but taste-wise, pretty good. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Wherever you found this video, make sure you are following and subscribed. Like the video, share the video. Let me know below what you think about these pancakes. Do you like the flavor combination? Do you think this trend is silly? Do you think I should make more? All this, you know what? These are good. I feel like because a little baby size, they're not as bad for these pancakes. This is like a healthy way to eat peanut butter, chocolate pancakes or whipped cream.